Welcome to the ICWIM Mastery Hub. The dashboard provides an overview of your progress, including overall completion, chapters read, and mock exams done. You can access chapter summaries, a quick cheat sheet, flashcards, and the mock exam engine. The Summaries section offers distilled expert summaries of the official syllabus. Here you can see a detailed overview of the chapter content. Within each summary, you'll find categorized sections like examinable areas and common pitfalls. There are also exam tricks, additional exam notes, and all numerical values for focused learning. The summaries also highlight potential exam traps to help you distinguish between commonly confused concepts and prepare for challenging questions. You can easily navigate through all the chapters listed under the Summaries tab. The quick cheat sheet is a searchable reference for definitions, key rules, thresholds, and timelines you need to memorize for exam day. You can filter the content by type. Flashcards are an effective way to actively recall and memorize key rules and facts. The default view shows the question on the card. Click I got it to reveal the answer and mark your progress. You can easily navigate between cards and track your mastery level. The Mock Exam Hub provides 4 unique full-length practice exams with unlimited attempts. These exams cover foundations, applied scenarios, advanced topics, and a mixed exam format. Before starting a mock exam, you'll see the time limit and number of questions. Remember that after submission, you can review explanations for all questions with a pass mark of 70%. The exam interface simulates the actual testing environment, displaying remaining time and question progress. Select your answer and proceed to the next question. After submitting, you receive your exam results and a detailed correction review, including explanations for each question, helping you understand the concepts. Finally, the AI Study Tutor is available to answer questions about the course material, exam tips, or specific topics, providing expert guidance right when you need it.